So I'm going to the next one. Next is crystal growth. Okay, now what are crystals? So you all can see the crystal ka photo on your right hand side, and it's very famous. Okay, now this is, you know, this is the only rock, only stone which people have died for. Okay, because this one crystal, the above crystal which you all can see, it was sold for approximately $1.5 billion. Okay, $1.5 billion. Patthar is just a stone, but it's so expensive. Okay, so now what are crystals? In rocky coast, waves hit the sea cliff. The water is alkaline, and some water droplets hits the crack of the rock. In this alkaline water, the material in the rock gets dissolved. This leads to the formation of small holes in the rock. This effect of solution of alkaline water gets restored in these holes. Because of the heat, this water turns into water vapor, and only crystals of alkaline material remain in the rocks. Crystalline occupies more space. This causes tension in the rocks, and holes are formed in the rocks. Okay. Now, there is one word called as alkaline water. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of alkaline? Anyone? What?
Very salty.
Very salty. And Toto, what you said?
मैंने गलत बोला रहेगा, खट्टा बोला मैंने.
खट्टा बेसिकली वैसा रहता है. ओके, सो इट्स बेसिकली सॉल्टी. कैसा रहता है? नमकीन रहता है, पर वो एकदम मतलब नमक भी हम लोग टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, पर जो अल्कलाइन रहता है वो इतना ज्यादा नमकीन रहता है कि वी कांट इवन, अगर टेस्ट किया ना, एकदम गंदा टेस्ट लगता है मुंह में. इतना बहुत नमकीन रहता है. इट्स वेरी सॉल्टी बेसिकली. ओके, so what happens when this alkaline water, okay, when this salty water mixes with the chemicals in the rock, okay, when this salty water mixes with chemicals in the rock, that time these crystals are formed. Okay, and these crystals, they are formed 10 to 15 feet below the level, below the ground level. मतलब जमीन के एकदम नीचे गाड़ा हुआ रहता है, very नीचे, like 10 to 15 feet below the ground level. These rocks are formed, and that's why they develop these colors. Okay, now obviously this water is given alkaline water. You all will ask me, it should be in liquid format, right? Because pani diya aap. But what happens when they both mix with each other? Now when they both mix with each other, because of the heat, the water gets evaporated. Okay, now once the water is evaporated, bacha kya? Patthar. So patthar ka color change hota hai, basically it becomes crystal, and these crystals are one of the most expensive rocks on the planet Earth right now. अगर तुम लोग को इसका एक पीस भी मिला, तो तुम लोग आराम से करोड़पति बने. क्योंकि इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम लोग अभी अपना जमीन को खोदना चालू करो. नहीं, इंडिया में चढ़ गए. The availability of crystals on planet Earth is 1 in 6,000. Like if you all see online, like people very rarely find it. Basically that. Okay, so I'll tell you all what to write. You all understood what is crystal, everyone? What is crystal? Sabko samjha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just write from this one, and just remember the photo how crystals look like. So if I ask you all, how is crystal formed? So you all will write when alkaline water gets mixed with the rock, and the water is evaporated, the crystal is formed. It's basically that simple. Okay, it's basically like मैगी. जब मैगी रहता है, मैगी का कलर पहला येलो रहता है क्या? नहीं, पहला क्या उसका कलर रहता है? व्हाइट कलर रहता है. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या डालते हैं? पहला पानी डालते हैं, फिर मैगी डालते हैं, उसके बाद मसाला डालते हैं. ओके, so क्या होता है? The color changes. Okay, that's how the crystal changes color. Okay, now the crystal is in water because मैगी में भी पानी रहता है, बराबर. So what do? हम लोग गैस बढ़ा देते हैं. जब गैस बढ़ा देते हैं, जो पानी रहता है मैगी का, it gets evaporated the same way जो crystal का पानी रहता है, it also gets evaporated, and the only thing left is the crystal. Yes. You all only have to write the gold points. Okay, 1 second. I'll show you all some examples also before you all finish writing. Just give me 1 second.
सर आपको स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं दिख रहा?
हाँ, मैं 1 सेकंड में सर्च कर रहा हूँ ना. 1 सेकंड. और इसमें जो क्रिस्टल्स रहता है ना, उसमें नकली बहुत मिलते हैं. ओके, तो वो लोगों को पागल बनाने का बहुत अच्छा टेक्निक है वो. पर जो ओरिजिनल क्रिस्टल रहते हो, it doesn't go under, like, you know, it goes in lakhs. So you can see the different types of crystals. So like, yeah, we have to write the bold lines and so you can see all the different types of crystals. Okay. So I'll understand what are crystals. Okay. So all right. Let me know once all are done. So you can go ahead. Done, guys. Writing, everyone has written this.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, waiting. Around that. Let me know once you're done, so I can go. And I hope everyone is writing. अगर तुम लोग कैमरा बंद करके नहीं लिख रहे, मैं कभी पूछेगा तुम लोग को.
Sir, over.
Done.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now we called release pressure. Okay. This you all don't have to write. Just understand the meaning of this. What is the meaning of release pressure? Okay. Basically, okay. Okay. Release pressure. Release pressure is basically when हम लोग like see. Everyone do this, okay? Everyone take a breath in. Everyone breathe in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and hold it. Breathe it and hold it. Okay, hold it for 5 seconds and then leave. 5 seconds of hold karo and then leave. Okay, so when you all leave, you all understand. So the moment you all leave the breath, it's called as release of pressure. Okay, and another thing, if you all notice, I seen Prince doing this. When you left it, you came forward, right? तुम लोग आगे आए. Why you came forward? Because when you all were breathing inside, you all went backward, so that's why you all came forward. So when you release pressure, it's called basically releasing your energy. Okay. The same way in the rocks also have to release their pressure. Okay. So basically, if you see the diagrams, जो A photo, A diagram में that's a normal land. Okay. That's a normal land, and B diagram is a land which is expanded. Okay. And the C diagram is how it looks. So expanding में कैसा रहता है, जो normal land रहता है, उसमें से some parts are come out of it. Okay. So the parts which are come out is called as expanded land, and that is known as release of pressure. Understood? Everyone understood the release of pressure. You don't have to write this. तुम लोग समझने के लिए. Deborah, you understood?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. So basically when the earth releases pressure, जब earth सांस लेता है, एकदम जोर का सांस लेता है, तो some part of the land it expands. That is called a release of pressure. Okay. Now water. Now we did temperature. Now let's see water. Now everyone knows what is water, so I don't need to explain water to you all so much. But I'll say some areas experience more rainfall than others. In such areas, soaking of rock water also causes weathering of some rocks like sandstone. These rocks are formed because of pressure on sand particles. Mud also makes sand particles come together. When water penetrates such rocks, the particle gets loose and separate from the main rock. This is called as granular weathering. Okay. Now, what is granular weathering? Granular weathering is basically all the sand. Sand मालूम है तुम लोगों को? Sand जो बीच पे रहता है. Yes, तुम लोगों को मालूम है. Okay. Now, when you pick up sand in your hand, you all see that those are like millions of minute particles. Okay, those are stones actually, but in minute particles. एकदम छोटे-छोटे रहते हैं. Okay, those are that is called as granular weathering. When the pressure of water is so much that इतना पानी गिर मतलब obviously बीच ऐसे 1-2 साल में shells, absolutely correct, shells. तो ये जो बीच रहता है obviously 1-2 साल में नहीं बना. It takes millions of years for the beach to prepare. And why do we get sand? The sand is basically granular rocks. Okay, where you see sand now, पहले rocks होता था, but पानी का इतना जोर के वजह से वो टूट गया, टूट के चूर हो गया. Like how we put mixer में सब चूर हो रहा था. Same way, because of water, because of high pressure of water, these big rocks become into small granular particles. Understood till here? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes both temperature and water are responsible for weathering. Different temperature causes contradiction and expansion, widening the joints or cracks or rocks. Water accumulates in such wide joints and big blocks of rocks are formed. Basically, the right side ka photo. Okay? In such places, temperature also plays a major role as well as water. क्योंकि देख बाजू में पानी है, ठीक है? So obviously पानी का pressure भी आ रहा है, but obviously because of the temperature, the rocks are also changing. So these are very rarely, and these are only seen in places near to the coastal areas. Okay, basically जो areas पानी के बाजू में रहते हैं, those areas see such things, and these are called as block disintegration. So I'll tell you all what to write in this. Okay, right from here till here. So when in this में क्या होता है, इसमें पानी भी affect कर रहा है और weather भी affect कर रहा है. और ये आदमी फोटो निकाल रहा है इधर, I don't know कौन है वो, ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, इसमें पानी भी affect कर रहा है rocks को, सब लोग आदमी को देख रहे हैं, ठीक है? इसमें पानी भी affect कर रहा है rocks को, plus the temperature is also affecting. So these types of rocks are called as block disintegration because they look like blocks. Okay, they look like big rocks like blocks. Okay, so I can add this part.
Sir, what is the heading?
No heading. This right, block disintegration. You will understand.
सर 2 मिनट रुकना, मेरा पेन का इंक खत्म हो गया.
हाँ, no. Let me know once all are done.
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 मुझे wait for Toto पेन का इंक चेंज करने गया, तो उसके लिए 2 मिनट रुकते हैं.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Toto हो गया तेरा लिख के? कितना बाकी है तेरा?
मैंने यस बाकी है, स्टार्टिंग से ही बाकी, क्योंकि इंक खत्म हो गया था.
अच्छा लिख दे, वेट. एनीवे इसके बाद एक लास्ट स्लाइड करेंगे, देन आई लीव योर. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर हिम टू राइट. इधर तक समझे? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me know once you're done, Tutor, then I'll go. आराम से.
हो गया सर.
The last slide for today. Water plays an important role in chemical weathering. Okay, now we are going to chemical weathering. We see mechanical weathering. Now we go to chemical weathering. There are 3 types of weathering. Can anyone tell me what are the 3 types?
So mechanical weathering.
Mechanical.
Absolutely correct. There are 3
मैकेनिकल,
types.
केमिकल और बायोलॉजिकल.
Biological.
Very good, very good. Okay, mechanical, chemical, biological. Okay, so आज हम लोगों ने
And
mechanical
chemical.
किया. हाँ, mechanical किया तो we'll do chemical. Don't write it. See, समझ के लो. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. Water plays an important role in chemical weathering. The solubility increases because the matter has dissolved in water, and those materials do not dissolve easily in water, get dissolved in such solution. In areas that receive heavy rainfall, chemical weathering occurs in the following way. Okay, so before going ahead, I'll just tell you what is chemical weathering. Chemical weathering is those changes in rocks because of added chemicals. Okay, when chemicals are mixed with water, how the object changes that. Basically, हम लोग you all have seen that this ना school में बनाते सोडे का लावा बनाते वो लोग, baking soda volcano. Okay, basically
Yes,
how do they do that? Yeah, they add extra chemicals in that. Basically that. So adding a chemical in water to change a particular object is chemical weathering. That we'll do tomorrow. So today we did mechanical weathering. Is mechanical weathering clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll start.